In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create circular text in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma so you are on the canvas where your text lives. Make sure you can see the text you want to curve, or create a simple text layer so you have something to work with. Once your file is open, we'll access the plugin that does the heavy lifting. Right-click anywhere on the canvas to open the context menu. Hover over Plugins and choose Manage Plugins. In the search bar that appears, type Arc. Then open the Arc plugin from the results. This brings up a small control panel where you'll do all the curvature adjustments. Now, click to select your text layer on the canvas. With the text selected and the plugin panel open, you are ready to shape it. Inside the Arc plugin, look for the Bend Strength slider. This slider controls how much curve is applied to your text. Slide it gradually to see how the letters start to follow an arc. As you increase the bend strength, the curve becomes more pronounced. At 100%, you'll get a full circle, which is perfect for circular logos and stamps. Lower values give you a gentler curve if you want a subtle arc above or below a headline. Take a moment to watch how the spacing and letter forms behave so you can land on a value that looks balanced for your layout. Once you are happy with the curvature, click Apply. The plugin will generate the arced version of your text right on the canvas. You'll now see the curved text as its own layer, separate from your original. If you need to adjust the overall size to better fit your design, select the new arc text and press K to activate the Scale tool. This lets you resize the curved text proportionally, so it remains smooth and consistent as you make it larger or smaller. Keep an eye on how it sits with nearby elements and adjust until the spacing and visual weight feel right. And that's it. Thanks for watching.